This is the gorgeous new patio set that I just got, and we unpacked it yesterday. I'm going to show you the setup. The install did take a bit, but it was super simple. Once you got the hang of it, they were all the same, and my kids even helped, so that was great. It did come in 4 different boxes, so there is a lot of recycling, but I love it. We just set it up, and I've got my rug out. This is from Garvey. The table, everything was like nice and light because it's aluminum, but it's still that powder coated finish on it, and it's all water resistant, even the cushions, and good for the dogs because it'll make it much easier to clean. Every one of the seat cushions has these that you can tie right around here. Now, I did not tie them because it's going to rain this week and I want them for easy access off, but you can just tuck them in like that if you don't want to securely tie them so that they don't blow around. The cushions are nice and thick. They're not as thick as our Broyhill set, but honestly, they are great quality, nice and firm, so they're very comfortable. The backrests are a little bit thinner, more of your pillow finish, and the setup is just gorgeous. This faux wood right here, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with the build. It's gorgeous. Here is the other chair so that you can see it up close. These two came in the same box. Super easy to assemble. What do you think about this new set?
I love it.
It's so much better because we used to have like a table here, and now we have a coffee table, which is perfect because we use our solo stove a ton, and to be able to pull that over here, have the table, have a little s'mores get up, like this is gonna be awesome. Here is the back of the chairs. They all kind of look the same on the back, and that's where you tie them, right down there so that they're not gonna be blown away. This is the love seat if you get the set that comes with this. We got the love seat, the 2 sofa chairs, the coffee table, and the couch. It is awesome. It is the most gorgeous set. This is it up close. Here's what the back looks like. And they hold a lot of weight. Here is the sofa. They hold a lot of weight. So the couch can hold up to like 1,200 pounds. The sofa chair can hold up to 800. Construction was really simple, but it is durable. Some of it's already assembled before it comes, but then you just have to like connect this piece to that piece, connect this piece to that piece kind of thing. So it works great. All right, we had a rainstorm and look at how water resistant this is. And my dogs are drinking it from the table because of how much it's just pooling on. It is completely water resistant, as are these pads. I totally forgot to bring them in before this rainstorm, but earlier they were beating, look at that, beating on top of this. Yep, so I'm just gonna put them up like this so that they can run down the cushions and make sure that all the water runs off. Look at that beaded on. Awesome. So pumped for this set. It's gonna dry out tomorrow because this is, do you see that running off? Love it when things are actually water resistant. And water just pools off of it. Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you. And again, to just get it off the furniture, watch what we do. Done. Done. We'll do that tomorrow, and the sunlight will just completely take it away. Look at that powder coating finish, all water repellent.